What is an API, and why use one?
APIs, or Application Programming Interfaces, let different software programs communicate with each other. They allow you to request data from online services like weather updates or news headlines in real time. Using APIs in your projects can automate tasks, enrich your apps, and unlock powerful new features with just a few lines of code.
Preparing to make your first API request.
Before you make an API request, you'll need the API's endpoint URL, the web address where you send your request. Some APIs require a special key for access, called an API key. You'll also need a tool or code editor, such as curl in your terminal, Postman, or a simple programming language like Python.
Making a basic API request in Python.
To request data, you send an HTTP GET request to the API's endpoint. In Python, you can use the requests library. For example, response equals requests get HTTP GET apiexample.com/data. This command contacts the server and retrieves the latest information. The result is often returned in a format called JSON.
Understanding and parsing JSON responses.
JSON stands for JavaScript Object Notation. It's a common way for APIs to return data, easy for both computers and humans to read. In Python, you can turn a JSON response into a dictionary using data equals response.json. This allows you to access and use specific pieces of information easily in your code.
Extracting data from the JSON response.
Suppose the API returns user information with name, Alex, age, 25. You can extract the name by writing name equals data name. This technique lets you grab only the details you need, like temperatures from a weather API or titles from a news API, and use them as you wish in your applications.
Putting it all together.
Making an API request involves choosing an API, sending a request from your code, and parsing the JSON response. With these basics, you're ready to integrate real-time data into your projects. Experiment with different APIs, and soon you'll be using data from all over the internet in your own creative ways.